All right, let's talk about it here. We're looking at Microsoft numbers, a beat on both the top and bottom line. Revenue, $52.86 billion. The estimate was for $51 billion. Also, EPS coming in better than expected, $2.45. The estimate there was for $2.24. We know the cloud division, the cloud sector, was really what the street was closely watching, and a slight beat there. Third quarter cloud revenue, fiscal third quarter cloud revenue coming in $28.5 billion. The estimate was for $28.19 billion. Now, Azure, that is their cloud division there, and other cloud services, revenue growth of 27%. So you were seeing the stock move to the upside here in after hours trading, looking at a gain of just over 5%. I also want to point out that the company did return $9.7 billion in the form of repurchases and dividends here. But again, the headline numbers, a beat on both the top and bottom line here. And cloud, the division here, the segment that the street was closely watching, strong enough numbers for now.
As far as the report goes, that's everything we were watching because Azure was the big question. A lot of the talk leading up has been, of course, about artificial intelligence, about ChatGPT, about their partnership with OpenAI. But that's something we're not going to see in this quarter. We probably won't see it in next quarter. It'll be all about the commentary on the call. So this is a very solid performance, and that's why you see the stock pop. And should add some news, at least according to the New York Post, Microsoft is making plans to complete its $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard. That is despite the FTC saying they will attempt to block that deal over antitrust concerns. So some interesting news on this day. There will certainly be questions from investors, analysts on the call, Diane.
But that's a big gap up we're seeing today. I mean, it certainly pleased the street with regard to its numbers. Again, as you mentioned, beating on both the top and bottom line. So strong numbers, and it really just setting the stage for a lot of these tech companies that we're going to see out today. We've got, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, set with their numbers coming out. It really sets a strong pattern that the rest of the tech sector is going to have a hard time following. And again, we're going to continue to hear conversations about AI and them coming into the picture, where they stand with regard to that.